Quickly recap. First term, bridge protocol data unit. Root bridge ID. Root path cost. Sender bridge ID. Now these are part of what? This BPD. Okay. RBC. Right. If a bridge is sending a BPDU, right? Root bridge sends a BPDU with RPC of 0 or 10.
0.
Right. A switch when it receives a BPDU will add the path cost to it. True?
Yes, true.
Right? And that path cost that it is added, the final cost it is added, it will send downstreams.
Yes, sir.
Right? Further, the non-root bridge. What are we having? Root bridge and the non-root bridge. Okay, let me put it in this way. There are 3 switches in the network. Right? There are 3 switches in the network. How many root bridges?
Root bridges.
How many root bridges? 1.
Only one.
How many non-root bridges?
2.
2. There are 20 switches in the network, all connected to each other. How many root bridges?
1.
How many non-root bridges?
19.
19. Right. Only 1 and the rest of them are non-root bridges. Correct?
Yes.
So suppose we have a chain. First is connected to second. What? First switch is connected to second. Second switch is connected to third. Third is connected to fourth. Fourth is connected to fifth. Like this.
Okay.
And first one is elected the root bridge.
Yes, sir.
And the cost for between each of the link is what? 10.
Yes. Okay.
Right? Right? A, B, C, D, E, F is the MAC addresses for the switches. The root bridge is 32768 plus A.
Yes, sir.
RPC 0. Sender bridge ID 32768 plus A. Received by switch 2.
Yes, sir.
What does it send downstream? 32768 plus A in the
RBC 10.
RPC 10 and the sender bridge ID 32768 plus D. Send to C. Switch 3.
Yes, sir.
Receives it. Sends downstream what? Root bridge ID equal to 32768 plus A. RPC equal to 20. Sender bridge ID equal to
32768 plus C.
correct. So this will keep on going and this will be propagated every 2 seconds.
Yes, sir.
Right? Every 2 seconds the root bridge will send. Right? It's BPDU. The switch 2 will change what? RPC. And the sender bridge ID.
Yes, sir.
Switch 3 will change what? RPC and the center bridge ID. This will be on. This is what we have learned till now.
Yes, sir.
Right? We will be adding more things here gradually. But before we do that, we will define some more terms. One is first term is designated port. And second term is root port. We are defining two terms, designated port and root port. Okay? Let's go back to the basic diagram. Switch 1, switch 2. MAC address A, MAC address B. 32768,
Plus A.
32768,
Plus B.
right?
Yes, sir.
Send a BPDU having root bridge ID. This
Yes, sir. Plus
RPC 0.
Yes, sir.
Sender bridge ID also this.
Yes.
This sends the BPDU.
Yes, sir.
Root bridge ID this.
Yes.
RPC 0. Sender bridge ID this.
Yes.
Correct?
Yes.
After the exchange, he says, I need to shut up.
Yes.
He is the root bridge.
Yes.
So this particular port becomes the BP. What? Designated port.
Okay.
Okay. So we can say the BPDUs are always sent out of the designated ports. BPDUs are always sent out of the designated port. Is this clear?
Yes, sir.
Right? Now since if there are multiple ports, on the root bridge. That means it will be sending out on all the ports.
Yes.
Can we say, you get the point or not?
Yes, sir.
This is a switch 3, C, switch 4,
Yes, sir.
D. This is the root bridge.
Yes.
It will be sending out here, send here.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
What is this? DP,
Yes.
designated port. What is this? Designated port. What is this? Designated port.
Yes, sir.
All of them are designated ports.
Yes, sir.
So we can we say that all the ports on the root bridge are designated ports?
Yes, sir.
Right? Fine?
Yes,
So designated ports are the ports which send out BPDs.
Yes, sir.
Are the ports which send out BPDs. Further, if we had created this one, switch 3, having MAC, okay, switch 3 was there, switch 5, having MAC address E, right, CD, right, E.
Yes, sir.
This BPD is right, now it is shut down, this one,
Yes.
Yes.
not sending any BPDs, but will send here.
Yes.
What does this become? Designated port. What did we say? All the ports on the root bridge are designated ports. But before that we said from the port from which the BPDUs are sent are the DPs.
Yes.
What did we say? From the port on a switch from which the BPDUs are sent out are DPs.
Yes, sir.
Isn't this port
Yes.
a DP?
Yes,
Because
sir.
the BPDU is being sent out.
Yes, sir.
Right? This is a DP. Because this one is shut down.
Yes, sir.
This is not shut down, shut up. In terms of sending BPDUs back.
Yes, sir.
Initially it might have sent, but then it sent a superior BPDU.
Yes, sir.
It is no longer sending BPDUs.
Yes.
So this one is superior. So this one is
Designated port.
designated port. On the same lines, he said, since right, all the ports on this particular switch are what?
Designated.
Are sending BPDUs. That's why they are designated
Designated
ports.
ports.
Right?
Yes, sir.
How about this? Can I make a switch like this also?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Switch 7. Right? MAC address F. Right? What does it send here? 32768 plus F.
Yes.
Sender RPC 0.
Yes, sir.
Sender bridge ID 32768 plus F.
Yes, sir.
Here. What does it send back? 32768 plus A. RPC is equal to 10.
No.
And sender bridge ID is equal to 32768 plus D. Right? So this shuts up.
Yes, sir.
What does this become?
Designated port.
RP, DP.
Yes.
Designated port. Right?
Yes, sir.
That's clear? Alright. Now, again, let's go back to that question. There are 500 switches in a network.
Okay.
How many root bridges?
One.
One. How many non-root bridges?
499.
499. Right? But, now let's come to another terminology. Every switch in a network is somehow connected to the root bridge. Every switch in a network, every non-root switch, every switch which is not a root bridge, every switch which is not a root bridge is somehow connected to the root bridge.
Yes, sir.
Right? Every switch
Is not a bridge. Is connected to
which is not a root bridge
Yes, sir.
Connected.
is somehow connected. This one is somehow connected to the root bridge. This is somehow connected to the root bridge.
Yes, sir.
This is somehow connected to the root bridge.
Yes.
Root bridge will have a root port. Will have a port which is known as root port, which is the closest distance for that switch to the root bridge. What is the root port? Right? Every non-root bridge will have a root port.
Yes.
Every non-root bridge, okay, 10 switches in a network. How many bridges?
10.
10. How many root bridges?
One.
1. How many non-root bridges?
Nine.
9. So 9 of them will have at least one port which is shortest distance
Yes.
towards the root bridge.
Yes, sir.
That particular port is known as the root port. Right? For that switch, right? For this switch, what is the shortest distance towards the root bridge? This port.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So this becomes a RP, root port. For this switch, what is the shortest distance? This port, right?
Yes,
This is
sir.
the path to the. On this switch. On this switch, how many ports are there?
One.
Only one. And that is the only part towards the
Yes,
root
sir.
port.
Yes.
Root bridge. This RP.
Okay.
Okay.
For this
This one. Yes.
For this one.
Yes.
Right?
Yes, sir.
For this one. So let me repeat. For every non-root bridge, there will be one port. There can be multiple ports
Yes, sir.
connecting towards the root bridge. We have not drawn a diagram yet.
Mm.
We have not come to that yet. But there can be multiple ports
Yes, sir.
that might be leading towards giving it connectivity towards the root bridge.
Yes, sir.
The one which has the shortest distance towards the root bridge
Yeah.
becomes the root port. Alright?
Yes.
Again, don't get confused between root bridge and root port. Does the root bridge have root port?
No.
No. Who has the root ports?
Non-root.
Non-root bridges. Okay? And can we also say that every non-root bridge will have at least one root port?
Yes, sir.
Right? Or in fact, every non-root bridge will have only one root port
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
because
We can-
shortest.
Yes.
Right? So let's again ask the question. 5,000 root bridges, 5,000 switches. How many bridges?
5,000.
5,000. How many root bridge?
One.
One. Right? How many root ports? 4,999.
Yes.
490.
Every switch which is a non-root bridge will have a root port. Clear?
Yes.
Okay. Now that is clear, let's move on. Now we are somewhere close to the loops and all those things. Can we add here the definition of DP? Designated ports.
Yes, sir.
The port through which sends the BPDUs. Right?
Yes, sir.
Root port,
The shortest part to the root bridge.
shortest path to the root bridge. Further, if you think, who's receiving the BPDUs? Root port.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Root port will receive the BPDU.
Yes, sir.
Right? Root port will receive the
Receive the
BPDUs. Right? In general terms, root port will receive the BPDUs. Who will send the BPDUs? Designated ports. Right?
Yes, sir.
Again the same topology. Switch 1, A. Switch 2, B. This is RP. Why? Because it is receiving BPDUs.
Yes, sir.
This is the DP.
Mm.
Right? Change. What becomes? RP. Why? Because this we have seen the market of A and B. Changes.
The root bridge.
Okay? Clear? Wonderful. Alright, let's come back to the real spanning tree. Switch 1. Switch 2. Switch 3. Let's make loop. What is the cost here? 10. What is the cost here? 10. What is the cost here? 10.
Yes.
MAC address A, MAC address B, MAC address C. Perfecto? Bridge ID 32768 plus A. Bridge ID 32768 plus B. Bridge ID 32768 plus C. Wonderful. Sending BPDUs,
Yes, sir.
sending BPDUs.
Yes, sir.
Which is better?
Switch one.
A.
Which one?
For this is the root bridge.
Yes.
Right? So it stops sending.
Okay.
Right? Similarly here.
Which one will be?
Sending 32768 plus A, 0 and 32768 plus A. Sender bridge ID. This sending 32768
plus C.
plus C, RCC 0,
Sender bridge.
sender bridge 32768 plus C.
Center.
Who's better? Here.
Yes, sir.
Happy?
Yes, sir.
This continuous sending, this
Yes,
continuous sending. Wonderful. Now let's see what happens here. DP is done,
Yes, sir.
root bridge is done.
Yes, sir.
Now this BPDU, let's see what happens here. Now you have to, up till now what were you saying? This was not there. This was the only RPC.
Yes, sir.
Hmm?
Yes.
This was only RPC. But now this path is also there. And then that means there is a possibility of a BPD coming this way.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Hmm?
Yes, sir.
So which one is the better RPC? Let's see. This one is receiving like this 10, right?
Yes, sir.
No, receiving what? 0
Zero. Then
and adding 10,
adding 10. Yes, sir.
right?
Yes, sir.
This one is sending what? 0.
Zero.
This one,
Adding 10.
okay. Let's walk this step. Let's walk this step. Okay. So what is it sending here? 32768 plus A,
Plus A.
0.
Yes, sir.
32768
Plus A.
plus B, right? This is what it is sending here.
It's the same.
Sorry,
A.
A.
Yes, sir.
Sending here.
Yes, sir.
Hmm?
Yes.
Now after receiving this, what is supposed to send this way? 32768 plus A, 10.
32768 plus B. Yes, sir.
Yes.
Now this one was sending what?
32768 plus A. 0. 32768 plus A.
Right?
Yes, sir.
Now this is supposed to send what here?
32768 plus A.
Plus it.
10. 32768 plus C.
So these are sending all good. So we know this is the root bridge. On comparison of the between these two,
Yes.
right? And between these two also C is also knows that A is the root bridge.
Yes, sir.
Which one is the root bridge? But now what are we trying to calculate? The root port, right? Root port on what? This and this, right? Root port is what? This a path towards the root bridge.
Yes, sir.
Now this has a one path
Yes.
towards root bridge,
Yes, sir.
and this has a path this way also
Yes, sir.
to reach the root bridge. But which one is the shortest?
Yes.
So what is it receiving here? 0.
Yes, sir.
What is it receiving from here? Information about the root bridge is at 10,
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
right? Which one is better? The lower one.
Yes, sir.
So what does it become?
Root port.
And this, not the root port. There can only be one root port in a switch.
Yes.
So which is shortest,
Yes, sir.
Okay, sir.
right?
Yes, sir.
The zero distance. Because from here, again this BPDU is communicating, this is the root bridge and it is at 10 distance from me. What is saying? This is the root bridge and it is
Zero
zero
distance
distance
from
from me.
Shortest.
Again, pay attention to this.
Yes.
What is this BPDU communicating? That root bridge ID is this at a distance of 10 from me.
B.
Who's me? C.
Yes, sir.
What is this communicating? It's saying 32768 plus A is the root bridge at a distance of 0 from me.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
I say, oh, for me, on this port is the shortest part towards the root bridge. So this becomes a root port.
Yes, sir.
Clear?
Yes, sir.
Wonderful. So, next step. Clear? We have seen with this example. For this switch, who becomes the root port? This one. Similarly, let's go to this one. So what is it receiving from here? 32768 plus A is the root bridge at a distance of 0 from here.
Yes.
And what is it receiving from here? 32768 plus A is the root bridge
At a distance of 10.
at a distance of 10 from me. So which one becomes the root port? This becomes a RP. Can I label them as P1, P2?
Yes.
Huh?
Yes.
Yes.
Port P1, port P2? Port P1, port P2? We have been labeling now port, right? So P1, P2 on which one are?
Designated ports.
Very good. Right? Port P1 on switch 2 is root port. Port P2 on switch 3 is root port. Right?
Yes,
We
sir.
cannot break the link here. That means the link has to be broken here. Right?
Yes, sir.
Cut here. Okay?
Yes, sir.
Clear?
Yes,
So
sir.
what do? We compare the BPDUs
Okay.
between here and here.
Yes, sir.
Right?
Yes,
Let us
sir.
compare.
Yes, sir.
What is this sending out? 32768 plus A plus 10 plus B. The sending 32768 plus 10. So let's compare these two. Same?
Yes.
Cannot be the tiebreaker.
Yes, sir.
Let's compare these two.
Same.
Same? Cannot be tiebreaker.
Yes, sir.
Let's compare these two. Which one is better? This one is better.
32768 plus B.
This one continues to send and this one blocks. So what is this? Since it is sending, what does it become?
Designated port.
That means BPDUs will continue to go.
Yes, sir.
The BPDUs will continue to go, but no BPDUs will go this way.
Yes, sir.
Okay, sir.
Okay?
Yes.
So this becomes the DP. What does this become? NDP, non-designated port. It becomes non-designated port.
Okay, sir.
So that's what we add another term, NDP, non.
Non-designated port.
Non-designated port does not send
Sends
BPDU,
BPDU.
but it receives BPDU.
Okay.
So again, to clarify, what is happening here is the link is still there. Link is still there. What are flowing on these BPDUs? Indicating, please, I'm better, I'm better, I'm better. So it is saying, okay, I'll keep shut, I'll not allow any data frames to go through.
Okay, sir.
Are any data frames going through?
No.
Even if they are going through, where are they dropped? Here.
Yes, sir.
Because the policeman is standing, you are not allowed. Right? Similarly, nothing is going from here to here because this is blocked.
Yes, sir.
Okay?
Yes, sir.
Clear?